Good morning, guys. Okay, so this is the day after. And I feel like they dried pretty well yesterday because I was outside and it was really surprisingly very hot, which is very nice. So this is what I do in the morning to get the best of the twists, right? Go on my knees for you guys because they're the only people I've been getting on my knees for. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. This is before I take a shower or do anything because I want these to stay in for as long as possible because I don't like to sleep with BOUNCY knots in. Crazy how I look. But I don't like to sleep with BOUNCY knots in. They just aren't that comfortable to sleep in. So if you want to, that's cool. You could have done this at the right after you're twisted out, but oh gosh. Okay, so I stretch it down and like I'm just twisting it back, and then I'm just gonna wrap. I really hope you guys can see. You know, it's difficult because my hands have to be in the way. There we go. One little knot. So I'm just going to knot up my whole head, and then I'm gonna get in the shower. And so when I get in the shower, I don't use a shower cap, which is just me on a regular. I don't really use shower caps. I know some people struggle with taking a shower without splashing it in their hair because you definitely want your hair to be dry because natural girls, you know, twist out plus water equals a mess. So yeah, I'm just gonna knot this up and get in the shower. And when you get in the shower, don't turn on your fan because you want as much steam in here as possible because the steam is what helps these get curly. And after I get out of the shower, I'll probably also just blow dry the roots, the twists, enough just to ensure that they're dry because we know, I'm sure y'all have experienced thinking your twists were dry and then starting to take it out and then boom, it's a mess. And who's looking like the clown? You. So yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm blow drying it at the end of my shower. But remember, no vent fan, no shower cap. You want the steam to really get in there and work its magic to make these oh, and also an alternative to BOUNCY knots would be flexi rods. And I did this style with a flat twist with what's it called, with flexi rods before, and look at the pictures. It turned out so cute. So I have high hopes for this one. I have high hopes. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this, and I feel like it should be a lot more curly, especially because I separated it and I didn't do the usual just one twist. And I did this because this is an important part I'm gonna include in here, but the detangling part, right? So we all struggle with getting that full look. We don't want the separated parts or whatever in the twist out. You know, it's like once you get to that stage, you know, you want to be able to get past it where it's like full and cute and whatever. So one thing I know that helps a lot is having smaller parts. The smaller parts you have, the less you have to work to get it to look as full. So that's why I did this. I mean, I usually just do the one, but this is for them girls who need extra detangling, fluffing help. So not detangling, but untwisting, separation, whatever you want to call that. But yeah, this is for you guys that need that little extra, those little extra steps or whatever. So that's why I made the 2 rows even in the back, because usually probably about 7 in the front, 7 in the back, cool. but this should really help. So make sure you get your little bantu knots tight in there, not too tight. Don't rip out your hair. If you need bobby pins, do that. And steam, and we'll be back.
Bring it to the floor now. Come put your foot up on my shoulder. Come on, make me push.
Alright, so I'm all taken down.
Just all the youngins, they been on them. This Rex City, stick on top of stick and niggas. I don't think these niggas.
Update, guys. So I thought I started recording this when I started taking this down, and I am very upset that it didn't. I don't know. If it did, I can't find the video. Maybe it'll pop up. Hopefully it'll pop up. But either way, this is, I just did just the 2-strand untwist. I haven't done any separation. I just undid the twist after I came back from blowjob. I really could have sworn I started the video. Like, I'm so disappointed. So either way, now I'm gonna get into finer separation so I can style it, because this clearly isn't a style right now. But I am liking it already with the addition of the bantu knots. Like, if you thought they weren't gonna do something, hey, check it out. I'm telling you. This is gonna be difficult for me to do without seeing. Anyway, I was looking outside the window, being nosy. Okay, so I think I will start in the back because I can't see that anyway on a regular. Just with fingers, I know.
Yeah. To the money, 1 to the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Beat block is all about it. ratchet. Sassy, movie, nasty. Acting stupid. What was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Classy, bougie.
So this could be a look. Could be, I'm not sure if I want it to be, but it could be. It's pretty cute. It's very fro, like, whoa. And any separation, y'all see any of them lines? Yeah, maybe right there, right there. I'm a red girl. I know it, I know it. I'm a red girl, I know it. Stay tuned for more. I've decided I want to do more hair videos. I won't do them my own hair as often because protective styles. Yeah, so yeah, like my last style I had in for 4 weeks, those little braids, and then I took them out and I did this. So I'll probably keep this twist out in for like a week and like style it different, because you know these curls aren't gonna last probably more than like 2-3 days depending on what styles I do. And that's why the first day I like to do a very low manipulative hairstyle and not like put a bun in it or bobby pins, because that definitely makes the twist out last shorter amount of time, because the curls get like extra stretched out. So I try to just do it like do one style and keep it for a while. So I'm not sure when my next twist out will be, but I'll try to keep you guys updated on like the styles I do during the week, because yeah, tomorrow I have somewhere to go, so I'll have to style it. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing, and stay tuned and watch my other hair videos. Thanks for watching.